Hey there, we are the Babes That Wander.
A group of diverse women with a shared love of travel.
Follow along as we explore the world,
one amazing destination at a time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Now, let's wander to Las Vegas. The STRAT Las Vegas is located at the beginning and end of the Strip, with newly renovated rooms and some really great dining options and, of course, amazing thrill rides at the top. This is a great option when staying in Las Vegas.
And I just got into Vegas. We're the first ones here. Just checked into the STRAT, which is where we will be staying for the first 2 nights. So here's a little room tour. 2 queen beds. It's just very modern and clean. It has, what do you call this? Merchandise? Merchandise, the corner with Chanel and Herradura tequila. Well done, well done.
Every girl needs Chanel and tequila.
Yeah, it's not bad. Little closet space to hang your clothes and put your shoes, or the bathroom. It's good makeup lighting, actually, I have to say. That's the room tour. We are all dressed up. We're gonna go upstairs and check out the SkyPod. Hope you guys aren't afraid of heights, because it's pretty high. Buckle up. Are you ready? You gonna go jump off the SkyPod?
No, I'm good.
Lauren, you?
Yeah, I might.
Yeah?
I could do that.
You do it?
Yeah. Repelling, no problem.
She's
Just
got
give me
this.
a couple shots.
Okay. All right. Careful what you say on camera. We buy you 5 shots. Go!
Hello, Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas.
I love how people in Vegas will just like randomly hype you up when you're walking around. It's amazing.
That lady was just like so cute, right?
Yeah, to Greta, I think.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, she was. But like,
The SkyPod is an iconic fixture of the world-famous Las Vegas skyline and stands at a towering 1,149 feet tall. Whether or not you choose to stay at the STRAT is definitely a must-visit when you're in Vegas.
we've been up some high places before.
I mean, Skydeck in Chicago.
Yeah.
It's not on here.
No.
We're going up to 108th floor, 855 feet inside observation deck. That's for the food and drinks, gift shop, sky jump. Anyone of you riding the rides today? Everybody? Maybe. Maybe. Okay, they're close.
First thing you do when you get to the observation deck is head to 108 to get a cocktail or a snack to enjoy as you take in the views.
Have you gone yet?
Are you nervous?
I don't think about it.
Okay.
We won't talk about it. You guys look so cute.
Thank you. Good luck.
If you're feeling truly brave, you can do the 829-foot leap from the sky jump.
Like, I literally could not do this. Like, standing right here and looking over the edge, like how high it is. I feel like we bonded with this one girl though, so we have to watch her go down, you know? Come on, mystery girl. You got this! Literally don't know this girl, but we're her friends.
Her hype woman.
She had good energy.
Yeah.
That BTW energy.
Yeah.
So we like to celebrate.
Yes. No.
Nervous for her.
Oh man, you guys want to go on that? Yes, I am insane. So this is a really great time to come up here and get photos. It's sort of like golden hour. The view is incredible from on the top of the stratosphere. And if you're feeling a little daring, you can do some of the rides. They're not all as crazy as just bungee jumping or I guess skydiving off of the side of the building. There's ones where they're a little bit more like thrill rides on top of the building. But wow, I mean, some of these ones were literally hanging over the edge of the sky deck, and it's really, really high up here. So not for the faint of heart. I might need a little bit more liquid courage to do one.
The sky deck is open daily from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. and admission costs $30 for access to the sky deck, with additional prices if you want to ride the rides. Aside from the amazing views and the heart-pounding thrill rides, this observation deck also offers a 360-degree revolving dining room with award-winning cuisine. It also has meeting rooms and a wedding chapel up here.
I feel like now that I've had a drink or two, strap me in, let's do this.
Make sure to check the description box below for more videos of our Vegas adventure.